Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal nyo sa Bubble Gang for 30 years. Here's to more years of laughter. Kasama kayong lahat. Kaya sabay-sabay natin sigaw. Batang Bubble! Oh! Happy anniversary! Cheers! Cheers for 30 years! Ng Bubble Gang! Batang Bubble ako! Batang Bubble tayong lahat! Congratulations! Ayan po mga kapuso, maraming salamat sa aming official live stream partner today, ang GMA New Media Incorporated. Kahit nasa bahay ka lang, feel na feel mo ang saya. Kaya sundan nyo lang ang NMI Studios sa social media. At maraming salamat din sa aming sponsors today. Again, we have Ashley's Grazing Table Ita, Japanese Catering, Fernando's for the Cake, Goodness Grace Grazing Table, Halo Salo Restaurant, Cruzy Manila, Luke's Seafood, Sushi and Sashimi Bar, World Coffee and Tea, Happy Boy Group, and again, to our event stylist, Mr. Dave Sandoval, hashtag Styled by Dave Sandoval. And now, let's have our official photos. Okay, so everyone on stage, ayan. Everyone, wait lang, nagtotoast pa sila. Ayan. But once they've settled down, please find a spot. So our photographers can take a snap of the group.